Find each quotient. We have negative 42 divided by 7. We have division of integers. First number is negative and the second is positive. In the division of integers, the rules are the same like for multiplication of integers. So when one number is negative and the other is positive, the answer will be always negative. Let me write this. When we have negative number over positive, of course, the positive, so the answer is negative. When you have positive number over negative, the answer is negative. The same rules like for multiplication of integers. If one of the numbers is negative, the answer will be negative. It doesn't matter if this number is in numerator or in denominator. The answer is negative. In the first example, we have negative number in the numerator and positive in denominator. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So negative over positive give me negative sign. So we write negative sign and we have to divide 42 by 7. So negative sign we copy. 42 divided by 7 is 6. Next example, we have 0 divided by negative 5. Dividend is 0 and divisor is not 0. So the answer will be 0. It doesn't matter if we have in denominator positive number or negative. If is different than 0 in denominator and we have only 0 in numerator, the answer is always 0. The last example, we have negative over negative. The same rule like for multiplication. When we have division of two negative numbers, the answer is positive. When we have multiplication of two negative numbers or division of two negative numbers, the answer is positive. So negative over negative give me positive sign and I have 16 over 4. Positive sign we don't have to write. 16 divided by 4 is 4. This is my solution.